What's up guys, this is Fajinio and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung's latest monitor, which is Samsung's CT55 Curved Full HD monitor, and I have got the 27-inch version, and it is said that it has optimal curvature of 1000R. Currently I have got this AOC's 21.5-inch monitor, but I think it's a bit small for me because I do a lot of programming and video editing as well, so I think it's not sufficient for me. So I got Samsung's Full HD curved monitor, and this is the latest monitor, so let's unbox it. So it costs Australian dollars 399. We have got some of these papers. We have power cable and also one HDMI cable, and then we have got this plate, and then this stand, another plate, maybe from here. So this is the 27-inch monitor. It has also got energy rating of 4, which is good. So here are the instructions for fitting this. So at first we have this base plate. So you need to put this like this and turn this around, and we need to screw this with a screwdriver, which I need to find out. I think it's supposed to fit properly, but it's not fitting. This point is not being aligned with inside over here. Otherwise I'll just... So I think that's all we can go. Now we need to grab our monitor using this, but unfortunately I already took out the monitor. So let's just use this handle to pull it out. So finally this one is assembled and it looks great. Now I need to add my power cable. And we have also got this cable management thing over here, so it makes our monitor clean without a lot of cables. So that's it, I have successfully installed the monitor. Now it's time for our testing. You can see the power signal over here. I think it has pretty good view.
The CT500 has full HD resolution and 1000R curvature, so you can watch content with high levels of detail, clarity and realism. I liked its anti-flicker technology, eye-saving mode, and the speaker sound pretty amazing. The power button is also the menu button, which can be used to access menu, select input, turn off screen or enable eye-saving mode.
I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.